Unleashing the power of Edge AI with AMB82 Mini. This project was brought to you by Realtek, Ameba IoT, in collaboration with National Taiwan Ocean University. Vision language models are powerful artificial intelligence systems that can understand and generate both visual and textual content. These cutting-edge models have revolutionized fields like computer vision, natural language processing, and multimodal AI. Let us understand the capabilities of vision language models. The first capability is visual understanding. VLMs can recognize and describe the contents of images with human-like accuracy, detecting objects, scenes, and activities. The second capability is multimodal reasoning. VLMs can combine visual and textual information to perform complex tasks like visual question answering and image captioning. Introducing the AMB82 Mini, a powerful device designed to harness the capabilities of VLMs while boasting impressive standalone features. This compact powerhouse is equipped with a high-quality camera supporting 1080p resolution, ensuring crystal-clear imaging for various applications. But that's not all. The AMB82 Mini is also armed with a cutting-edge neural network engine, capable of executing complex inference tasks with precision and speed, whether it's audio classification, object detection, or any other AI-driven task. This is the system architecture. The AMB82 Mini is acting as the client while the remote PC is acting as the server. After pressing the push button for 2 seconds, user can speak into the microphone to record audio file, and a camera snapshot will be taken at that instance. The audio file and camera snapshot will be sent to the server. These two inputs will be the prompt to the model, and a response will be generated and sent back to the display. These are the components that you will need to set up on the client side. For the server side, you will need any workstation with any high-end GPU. For the hardware setup on the client side, you may refer to the schematic diagram for more information. This is the front view and back view of the prototype that is used for the actual demo of harnessing VLM capabilities with AMB82 Mini.
Where is she going? What color is her hair? What is she doing? How is the weather today?
There are lots of useful applications that can be further developed. The list goes beyond what has been shown here. Start developing with AMB82 Mini today.